Alam nyo ba na nahawakan ng tatlong Shield members ang WWE Championship sa isang pay-per-view event? Matapos manalo at ma-retain ni Roman Reigns ang kanyang WWE Championship laban kay AJ Styles sa Extreme Rules, ay nag-surprise return si Seth Rollins at inatake si Roman Reigns. Earlier that year kasi ay na-injured si Seth Rollins. Dahil nga doon ay nag-decide si Shane McMahon na mag-schedule ng isang title match between Roman Reigns and Seth Rollins sa Money in the Bank. Naging very competitive ang laban ng dalawa, pero sa huli ay si Seth Rollins ang nanalo. Naging mabilis lang ang celebration ng kanyang pagkapanalo dahil si Dean Ambrose, who earlier that night won the Money in the Bank briefcase, blindsided Seth Rollins from behind and cashed in his contract. He gave Seth his signature move, Dirty Deeds, to win the WWE Championship for the first time in his career. Follow for more.